Today I'm going to show how to make a stun gun from a camera. We will need any camera with a functional flash. First, we need to take it apart carefully. Don't forget to discharge it, having short-circuited both terminals with a screwdriver. It explodes really loudly. I have ringing bells in my ears. Afterwards, we need to connect a highly efficient capacitor. I have taken out a 330 microfarad TV capacitor. Let me solder the positive terminals to the positive terminals and negative terminals to the negative terminals with these tiny wires. Let us solder two needle points to the capacitor. They will function as electrodes. Once you've done it, you can put it back together. Let us attach the capacitor to the top of the case. Let us attach the capacitor into place with the help of hot adhesive. Here is a stun gun we've got in the end. You can switch it on with the help of the lens release button. The capacitor will start charging. So let us test it out. The discharge can be so loud that it can even harm your ears. That is why I'm going to put on my earphones. The design of the camera allows to increase the voltage with the help of a 2AA battery. It can increase the voltage up to 300 volts. The capacitor can increase the current so much that a 220-watt light bulb shines really brightly. In comparison to a manufactured gun's voltage, this stun gun's voltage is decreased, but its current is increased. It means that it won't discharge into a thick piece of fabric. In case if this piece of fabric wasn't pierced with needles, of course, I wouldn't advise you to discharge it into your body, because it is a very painful experience. Besides, you may get burns. A fake discharge is usually enough for self-defense purposes. The noise of discharges is so loud that it can cause great disturbance. You can use it to effectively scare dogs away. What do-it-yourself ideas with old devices do you know? Share in your comments. In our next video, I'm going to show hidden features of a stun gun. Subscribe to the channel in order not to miss out on it.